Hello, welcome back to the channel. Well, yeah, it is already 2 months since my last upload. Yeah, I have a really busy year end, so yeah, I don't have much time for the video. But anyway, wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, because yeah, it is 23rd of December, so yeah, it's nearly Christmas. So yeah, anyway, today will be the last build for this year, and this is SDCS Unicorn Gundam number 3, the Phenex. Yeah, this is a narrative version where the Gundam shield, you can notice it have a little tail on the shield. Yeah, this came out for just a little while ago. So anyway, let's check the side first. But yeah, by the way, Bandai did already change the logo from red to blue for the recent product. So yeah, let's take a look at the side first. Yeah, by the way, as I can see, it is really like the normal SD kit. Yeah, well, I will do a comparison with the normal SD with the CS version for the finish just a little bit later after I finish this. And yeah, it also have the bi-separate CS frame for the change of scale a little bit. It gives you a little bit more movement on the joint, the lead joint and the hand joint. Yeah, you should understand that the CS joint is just add 2 more joint for your kit. Just turn it aside, and yeah, it cannot be transformed like the normal SD kit. But anyway, and yeah, you can choose your eyes just like SD, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And it don't come with base, so yeah, if you want, you need to buy a separate base for the kit. And yeah, I don't see the retail price for the kit on the box. I don't know if it is normal. Yeah, anyway, this is the number 7 for the SDCS lineup. And as I know that the SDCS will came with the machine geyser, no, not the Great Machine Gun and the Machine Guy, not Gundam model. But anyway, I maybe will build it in the new year. But anyway, let's open the box. Always open the box from the bottom. And yeah, the new menu, really small menu, and you got only 2 beds of the parts. And by the way, I always said that I don't like this gold, something like gold metal particle plastic for the gold color that Bandai use. But yeah, they keep on using this for more than 2 decades anyway. Okay, need to open the bag first. Yeah, for the A1R, as usual for the SDCS kit, the A1R is just the inner frame, nothing special in here. And the 1R B this time is the multi-color 1R. Just zoom out a little bit. Yeah, and yeah, this thing just fall off from here, but I believe this is the jar. Yeah, just like the jar. And I'm happy that Bandai don't use the old molding for the what is it called, for the old SD kit on this new SDCS kit. But yeah, the cheapness of Bandai is still same as usual. They just chip out on the feet and the back of the hand And by the way, this time, yeah, the weapon is just one piece. Not like the SD kit, they just give you a really big rifle for the kit. But anyway, this is just a pretty cheap kit. And then the Wanna C, oh sorry, I should show you here first because Wanna C have 3 separate number. This is Wanna C1, and yeah, I just don't like the color they give you. Maybe I need to paint it with a little bit goldish color. Yeah, and if you can see just a little bit close, if the camera can focus, yeah, the metal particle inside it is just poorly concentrated, and yeah, just form a little bit weird pattern inside the plastic. But yeah, it is what it is. Bandai, and it may not choose to change the formula for the gold plastic, but anyway, this is for the leg, and here is the head, and I believe this is the waist, the horn, and one C2, and it is mostly the seal you can see right here, and the tail. And by the way, you can see the beam saber. Yeah, the beam saber just normal plastic, not clear plastic. And one C3, you can see another beam saber right here. And yeah, I believe this is a chest, maybe. And other parts for the shield. Yeah, there's the little tail right here. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. And there's a little sticker right here, and yeah, just a normal foil sticker for the kit, but maybe I will use this for the monitor, maybe. Yeah, let's take a look at the menu. Yeah, this still the normal SDCS menu, as we can see in the old what's it called, the Shark radio. Just a normal thing, and yeah, you need to choose which style you build first, and then you just build the parts on the CS frame or the normal SD frame. So yeah, just when you build it, just look up or look down for the frame as you choose. This kit I will just build it in the SD frame by now. Well, it's just easy change up on the frame for this series. So yeah, it's just choice of the parts picking. Anyway, the first step you need to build is the body, then the arms, the leg. Yeah, there's a loaded waist is the last part on here, and then the hair. Yeah, obviously it cannot transfer back to the unicorn mold for the kit, but anyway. And the weapon choice is 2 different shield. Yeah, just two shield with a little tail on it. And yeah, this is just some one-piece weapon. So anyway, just cut it off from the runner. Yeah, I believe this will be a really quick build, but about the choice of the color, maybe this time I will choose something a little bit different. Yeah, but about the color I will use, this is kind of a yellow paint for the gold, just like gold paint color, but this is a product from Taiwan, and it is the factory is called, what is it called, the model. Yeah, if you can see right here, the model. This is well, normally you can buy is the chrome color and the black base for the chrome color, and I believe this kind of event paint because you can see right here, after you paint it, you can use a little thin Tamiya X22 event paint for the protection. So yeah, maybe I will try this gold plate on this little kit. Okay, let's begin the building.